Hello there. This video will highlight one of the top 5 business drivers for dynamic data masking. Developers should have access to non-production systems with anonymized data, but typically they should be blocked to access production with DB firewall. Let us look at Alfred, our developer. When he logs on to production and runs a query, he can see all data including sensitive data. The organization has a policy which states, developers must be blocked from accessing production. Mage Data will create a two-step process. Who's the policy for? And what is the protection mechanism? For the first step of the policy, we have a set of users named developer users. Alfred is selected and included. The second step will be to select the block option and publish the policy. This will set up the firewall that prevents Alfred from accessing the production database. Now when Alfred accesses the database, he is blocked. Mage Data operates seamlessly and transparently. However, in those rare instances when developers require temporary break glass access, they will only be able to view anonymized data. When developers need approved break glass access on production, Mage Data can apply either break glass full with monitor or break glass partial with anonymization policies. Please refer to our video, Mage Data Policy for Break Glass Access, for more information. In this example, we use very simple rules for this particular use case or business driver. For other, more complex requirements, Mage Data is very flexible and seamlessly provides realistic masking, context-preserving encryption, as well as conditional masking. Mage Data also enables similar rules across enterprise data platforms. Please contact Mage Data for additional information. Thank you.